Hi. Hi, bro. Nice meeting you. Thank you. I don't know, man. Does it look good actually? It's been a long time since I had haircut. Where are you from? Japan. Arigato. Hi. Uh, but you might not know this as you are from Japan. We Indians, I'm Indian and North Indian, I'm South Indian. We are different from North Indians and we have a lot of respect for the Japanese people. And I love Ikigai. Hold on. Nada Friday. You front guy. Okay. Scamming a fellow Indian is wrong, man. Well, okay then. I do have Ikigai. Which part of India? North or South? Punjab, Delhi, Mumbai. कहाँ से है तू? Noise. Ziggy Yaxar place South. You are my guy, man. Yeah, that's enough. No need for any state. தமிழ்நாடு டேய் அநியாயமா இல்லையாடா உனக்கு ஏன்டா தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருந்துட்டு இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுகிறடா தமிழில் சொல்கிறா தமிழ்லையே கேளுடா